The creative writing programs are set a certain way, you know, because you have to decide, are you going to be a picture person, or are you going to do... You have to kind of...
Amazing spread. I did myself.
You know what? You're on the other one.
An article about a study. Contemporary porn stuff. Of course, they do more than everyone. Totally fine. There are a few deck hazards that you need to be aware of. Anytime you go in or out of a doorway on this boat, or well, just about any other, be aware there's about an 8-inch tall threshold you're going to need to step over. There are 2 steps on either side of the walk around deck. You're going to pass the Inverry Kennecott that goes to Solovia and also works in the southeast. And Kodiak as well. Normally we're serviced by the Tuscany.
Seriously, we have a lot of stuff. Oh, yeah.
Some will let us get in really close, others not so much. But when you do see the otter here, keep in mind they do eat a variety of shellfish, including crabs. They do stand erect, and they look a lot like a penguin. They are a diving seabird. You'll see even if we pass over a big raft of them, they don't even take off. They just kind of dive down and pop right up back on the other side of the boat. Before we get too much closer, actually I see a couple of tufted puffins just right off to our left, let's call it our 10 o'clock position. Tufted puffins are a solid black bird, white face, bright orange beak, and really bright yellow head feathers. We have one off of our 11 and one kind of off our 12, and then these two other little black birds with the white wing feathers. Those are called pigeon guillemons. They have really bright red legs and feet. But you see a tufted puffin there off our 11, and I'll keep sliding up to it. Hopefully you'll be able to. White face, bright orange beak, and really bright yellow head feathers. We have one off of our 11 and one kind of off our 12, and then these two other little black birds with the white wing feathers. Those are called pigeon guillemons. They have really bright red legs and feet. But you see a tufted puffin there off our 11, and I'll keep sliding up to it, and hopefully we'll be able to get in for some nice pictures here real quick. Those are our common smaller gray and white birds. You see right up and down the sides of the rocks with right up, kind of follow the rocks.
The eagle's
above,
right here.
Right up to a little.
And it's like
Yeah, it's looking this way.
Also, if you look up above the rocks and below the grass, especially on the other side of the island, you'll start to notice a bunch of holes that are up there. Those holes are puffin burrows. So they're 3 to 5 feet deep, and when stuff is straight out the bow here, the entrance to Peterson Bay, there is
Oh, I'm sorry.
Isn't that little opening beautiful? Little keyhole there.
Cormorants. We have 3 different kinds of cormorants that come out here to Gull Island. However, the vast majority are the pelagic cormorant. The pelagic cormorant will have a black beak. The double-crested cormorant will have a tannish or a yellow beak. And then a red-faced cormorant has a nice bright red face. Of course, most of you guys probably saw that bald eagle that we had back there just a little bit ago. And we'll just kind of slide in and try to get a couple of close-up pictures of some of these birds and then start making our way. Over towards Eldred Passage, we do have another otter right off of our left. Let's try to go for that one. Others not so much. We'll just see how they do for us today.
inside here. And then there's, you get to see the cormorants, the red face, and the black red face. The black birds. Sometimes you see them. like a whole body, and it got washed away though with the tide.
Some are pretty boat friendly. Kind of meandering off to our right, but we got quite a few more over by this rock right off of our bow, and then there's a bald eagle sitting right up on top of the rock, so we'll try to slide in over here and get you guys some pictures, and then we will kind of continue on over towards Eldred Passage. Sometimes the otters are really cooperative, other times.
Hi guys! Alright, it's got a pose. Oh, there's one with the baby. Yeah, it's swimming. It's swimming next to lots of babies. The nursery. I was out over Shorebird. I couldn't believe the crowd. Carl. Oh, what fun. Oh, it was. It was fabulous.
Otter.
Here's the baby. It's a baby crying. It's over there on the mouth. So they all went back. More or less different. I just wonder if any of them came back, you know, after you guys had held them, and then if they came back to our resident population. But I understand that otter population.
But if you actually...
You never can have enough.
There's a nesting pair of them out here. A lot of times they'll be standing right at the water's edge. Right now they're up pretty high on the beach side. So they're a little bit difficult to see. If you look real closely, you'll start seeing these little black things moving around. Those are their little babies walking around up there. And those are black oyster catchers, and this here is Cohen Island.
Yes. They're not that common.
So places like Yukon Island over there, they get hit pretty hard. Another eagle taking off right off of. If we're clear right now, looking over towards Anchor Point, which is right off 17 miles off our 3 o'clock position. You'd be able to see Mount Iliamna, and probably just coming into view would be the top of Mount Redoubt. Those are all hidden in the clouds right now. And straight off the bow would be Mount St. Augustine. All 3 of those are active volcanoes and part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. another eagle taking off right off of our 2 o'clock position right over the water. Yeah, I saw a few more as we were coming around too. If we're clear right now, looking over towards Anchor Point, which is right off about 17 miles off our 3 o'clock position. Slow sail by here, and then make our way back over towards the spit. In front of us, an otter off about our 11 o'clock, and we're just gonna take a slow sail by here and then make our way back over towards the spit.
So it's been very, very interesting. Very dark when we clear on the other side of that land. Yeah. Yes, in August there's a big festival, and they're actually doing Beethoven's Ninth. Really? The symphony orchestra. Symphony. Who knows? Look at all the babies.
Spin the cars or the containers forward so they can drive them up into the hole.
These were Argentinians and probably took a boat over to Paris. I haven't been here.
Well, thank you guys for coming with us today. It's a pleasure having you on board. Hope you have an awesome rest of your Writers Conference. We'll be tied up here in just a couple of moments. A couple more eagles right up in front of us on top of the fuel storage tanks on Petro Marine here.
Bye. Thank you.
Where did the trash get put? Inside.
Thank you.
I think I'm good. Okay, I'll meet you up on the stairs. Carol, hi. Good morning. Yeah, it was nice talking to you. Okay, I'll meet you up on the stairs. Yeah, I brought the vehicle. Carol, good morning. Hi, good morning.
I'll take the baskets. It looks a little awkward.
I'll let you do that. Thank you.
Shooting each other.
I'm shooting you, actually. He just happened.
Oh, good. The puffins.
Yeah, that's
Okay, this is a test. Which type of puffin did you see?
I was following the orange beak.
Orange.
I don't have you.
Go ahead. Go ahead.